Early bias is bullish right now. Maybe we can look for continuation longs. This high is 1715 high. Same as this high, not yet taken. Most probably maybe to that highs. I will try a trade from here. Put my SR here. Market order rule 500. This is only demo trade, okay. I don't trade this type of risky trade, so yeah, stop loss is almost safe, or stop loss is almost safe. Yeah, put it here. Inside that 1 hour, that is a little risky. Little this high here, this is 730 high. Let's see how that plays. This is 745 high. Technically that is not a crazy level. This is what a crazy level. We are inside this 1 hour. Both of that level are inside this 1 hour. We swept the previous hourly high on both levels also. Let's get ready with our break even. I'm pulling my break even to that wick low around here. This wick is more convincing. I'm putting it here. Okay, that is enough. We are already in a rescue trade. We are inside this 1 hour. It might reverse at any time. Most probably when we form the 15-minute wick, he might reverse. But until then, we are expecting continuations. Okay. This high is 730 high. This is 7 high, 7 a.m. high. This is also the 7 a.m. high. These both are sensitive levels. Full break even here. So before we entirely inversing, there might be we are stopped out, or we can, before we fully inversing, we might form a 5-minute gap here. So we can expect a delivery into that 5 minutes, and we can trade into this 7:30 high, which is here right there, 7 a.m. high, which might be a good level because of this current price action. Looks like we want to go high here, but we are coming inside this 30-minute here. Let's see, you can see that here. Either we want a 5-minute inversion or we want a 5-minute continuation. So we rejected from this 2-day opening range, we rejected from this 15-minute gap, 30-minute gap, 1 hour gap, and that's it. Okay, we still have our daily lows, but we closed above, kind of. We might, maybe our bias could be bullish. Either way, I studied that we should only go long from the 50% level. So if you are bullish, you might see something crazy going on here in a moment. Let me just log this for a moment. The London highs are still there. The previous day high is untouched, unbothered, clean. Yeah, we got that in either we need to inverse this 5 minutes or we need to get a continuation setup from this 5 minutes. There is not 2 minutes or 1 minute or 30 seconds, neither of there here. So I might expect this 15 minute to get opened and we make a bottom wick to this lower, something like this, then we distribute higher. So that could be a good reason to go long. If I want to take a discretionary trade, I might take this, but there is no, I'm not even discretionary bullish. We need to go to this high, I just know that. What is this high? This is 4 AM high, pretty good level to go. Let the 50 minute open up, okay? We might get a second top into that 5 minute after we form the 50 minute. You may get there now. I believe we should invest that week, so we are kind of inversing this 5 minute here. So we kind of made that bottom wick there. So either a 30-second is even good enough for me. Look at that inversion. So they have this clean gap there. If we are really bullish, we should just inverse this level. No more talks, just clean inversion. There is a 1 minute gap right here. This is what we should inverse. I don't see. Better to wait for that 1 minute. I need a little accuracy inversion, but I'm not going to get, I think. It's the right time to go long here also, because this is, if we are making the 4 hour, if you want to short, we need to go in the premium of this level, so that means we should short from here. So short, there is also a reason we should go short, so not bad. But right now we are only taking longs. Let's see, we should not tap these levels. They are not very important levels, but still we should not tap that. I'm in the long. My break-even will be there, but that was a cute break-even, man. I don't want to put break-even there, but I am putting it there. Yeah, I got stopped out. Fuck. Okay, that is same as this level here, okay? So you might just rip through this level. Oh man, here we go. Okay, it's okay. He got stopped out anyway. Oh, at least I should wait for a reaction, right? Yeah. But I respect my decision. The fuck even I'm doing, man. Breaking random. I'm putting my break even too soon, I think. This is not even a key level. This is the key level. This is not even a key level. This is the key level, so we should put the break even there. This is not even a break even. I got a martial loss because I don't need that to be a certain break even, so I push that to. Okay, if we get a shot, I am proud to take this shot because the forehour is leaning to the bearish side and our PO3 is also leaning to the bearish side. Of course, if we can inverse this level, we are very actually bearish. Here we have a solid reason to go short, much better levels to go short. This is a break even if we go short, and this is no longer we needed. We have SMDs with that highs, everything aligned with us perfectly. This was my trade idea. I did took this trade on my account, funded account, but I got break even at this wick here. Put break even at this 942 high. Maybe that is a bad idea, but I don't know. I think I'm putting my break even too soon, but we are bullish as fuck right now. We should get a reaction from here. Good, go short. We will, most probably. Let me look for a 30 second. There is not enough structure for a 30 second. Oh, check the news. No news. That is 8:30 a.m. news. There was an 8:30 a.m. Where is 8:30? was the 8:30 a.m. So this was a great zone to go along. This was a data high. Oh, okay. So even if we get this inversion, we took this, I should have aimed for that. That doesn't matter now. There is a good reason to go short here. This is 9:45, 9:30 low still there. 9:30 low is still here, sitting here, waiting for us to get delivered. And we are inside this 1 hour. So if we can close below this level within few minutes. Actually, I need this inversion rather than. There is a good chance that Asia will take this trade. We have SMTs with this size. Already took that high. This is the same high. Oh man! You can try this trade if you want. This is a discretionary trade, market trade. If we want market trade, let's go with $500. Look for a buy. Okay, we filled right there. Either way. We go break even at that London highs. This is most likely to go bullish, okay? Shoot upwards when it opens. So Nascato might form a wick to the upside. These highs and the draws are every draws are above us, so very good chance, and it is also very bullish, so it might happen at any time. So maybe a quick TP it might happen. That's a very good chance. This is discretionary trade, no confirmation, but still very high chance trade. Okay, we might take this cap's inversion as a confirmation. Okay. We open the first few minutes. We need to go break even right there. Why I'm not going break even? Yeah, we did go break even. Either we shoot upwards. That is blended highs. We got break evening. Holy shit. We just edged by the lateral highs, which is not the final draw, but still he may use some of these levels for reference to go wrong. No, we don't have a good structure to go long. That's the thing here. Do we have good throws to go short? We have this 1 hour gap city just right above us. What? This will form right now, and we might get a bullish reaction from here. We just found this 300 gap. We took it. At least to this 5 minute. We have 3 minutes. We inverse this 1 minute, which doesn't mean we are bullish. Might mean we are bullish. If could be a good level to short, I don't know. From my perspective, this is a rejection block, but we already took that high, so and we are kind of bullish overall. Let's see how this reacts from this level. Oh, this 300 also a zone that we can go full pot our shorts. Even though we don't have a clear structure yet, and the previous day high is just right above us. Do we already took the high? Yeah, we already took that high, man. We don't need to go to the previous day. That's a took high, but we didn't took this ladder highs yet. That needed to be taken either from here. We took the London high already, so we might be bearish. Yeah, we are bearish. What we need to inverse? We need to inverse is 5 minutes. But can we? No idea. I like to go bullish. Even though we already take this, your PSS, we have better chance to that highs. If we can react, same, even can go higher. Oh, this is a 10 AM high. Right there. 10 AM highs. This is right here. More sensitive highs. We only miss some wins. We got break even. And that is, bro. This is the bearish PA. This could be a good shot. I am taking if this inverses the 5 minute, but now I am only taking this. Now I'm taking this for the 3 minutes. For the 5 minute, I think if we see if we can. Okay. I'm selling this. We didn't close the 5 minute yet, but the 3 minute is closed perfectly. And I need to put it here for $200 free. The 5 minute will close in 1 minute. The 3 minute is already closed. Let's see how the 5 minute closes. If the 5 minute closes, I am full potting long shorts. but I don't think I can short this. It didn't inverse. What is the 3-minute got inversed? The 5-minute is still under process. Okay, we might get it long. To the 10 a.m. highs. To the 10 a.m. highs, longs could be the best, or we should not intercept that 3-minute. Oh, we still can't take that. Let me look for. I'm looking to take this long on my live account. We still have that 10 a.m. high sitting uselessly there. So there might be, if we can invest, we might get a chance to get short that shit. The 30-minute looks like nothing, might go long. Most likely go long. 1 hour looks like go long. 4 hour looks like it goes short, but for the high time frame might. Let's see how this reacts. Let me close, not yet. Minute will close in few seconds, and we might form a 15-minute gap here, which is already filled there. If the 15-minute will form, waiting for the 15-minute to get closed. Oh, this looks super bearish here, but kind of sus. Anything might happen, so we need to wait for this 15 minutes. That is 15 minutes, so we need to get an eye on that, keep an eye on that level. Other than this, we can just remove all this shit. You have to keep an eye on this 3-minute. To go long, we might need that. So I might take this discussionary long to that high. If we can inverse this 2 minutes, which might in 5 seconds. I might full pot it. Yeah, I'm already on that full pot. $100 risking to that. Oh man, very bad. You already tapped that 3 minutes. I need to make a decision, either close from here or hold it. Tapping that 3 minutes is the bad decision, man. I put my SL for a small loss. I pulled it a little higher to avoid my loss. Okay. Full break even there. Okay, I got break even. I think I got break even to for $1. Okay, great. Bias is kind of choppy right now, so better to take a decision than already planned decision than taking decision right from there. So if we intercept this 3 minute, I was planning to go break even. We exactly did that. So what I have to do? Nothing. This was my long. I think when we have this inverse here, not there around. No, let me do that. Yeah. This is what happening, bro. Come on. That was $100 risking trade also, so it is a great decision, I think. Can I take a shot to that 15 minute? It looks promising. The draw look really promising. We still have this 10 AM high sitting there. But that 15 minute looks so good. That draw might be our shot. Let's see. Let's make the decision according to that close. Great close. I am shorting $100 risk. Hell yeah. I'm going break even there. Fuck. It got intercepted into these lows right there, so I need to go break even. It got break even. 3 trades in a row. Huge break evens. Either I should flush through there or no trades. That was my plan. This trade and this trade was my entries. Wow, look at that. But the first decision was so good, so I should have put my break even here. So the 3 minute is okay, but why does I put my break even here on this leg? I don't know. But it should be here, okay? Okay, 3 trades in a row. In my live account, that is too much for trades of now, but we are inside this 15 minute. That says that there might be a plus setup coming for us, so let's see. I should have holded it till not till here. I should have held it at least to this level. Yeah, otherwise no problem. If we inverse, we can take longs to this level. That is a plus, because we can clearly see that if I put it here, drag it to here, let's see, look at this level here. We already in the premium zone, and we are kind of respecting a 15 PDRA that send us to the higher to levels like in current situation. I don't like shorts. And if we did take that trade, if we just hold it for a little longer, it would be the best trade ever. It would be a banger. But these are just experimenting, so no problem. if we can bounce through this through the opening range. I'm kind of making a better structure here. If we hold it, it could be a full TP. $100 risk for this trade. Man, could be a full TP, man. But either way, you're okay with the results. This trade was around 10.16, so let's mark the 10.16. This is the 10.16. So when I entered here, it tapped here. The second candle, 1, 2. The second handle tapped here. Look at this. If I entered here, 10.16. I entered here. This candle already took these both lows. So we already, what about this low here? This low, we already took this here. Look, this low. So I should go break even either way. No problem. Shit happens sometimes. I did take that trade. I have the courage to take that trade, but I didn't hold it. The 5-minute continuation setup was good. This long here, but I did go break even at this level, which is this 3-minute here. Look at this 3-minute. When we intercepted that 3-minute, I go break even. The 930 got took. Okay. Inverse this level, man. This is a clean shot, 100% win shot. Let's try this. Oh, we've got filled even, but we need to go break even at that level. So either way, we are good. Ah, fuck, hell no. We took this low here, so we need to pull low break even to that level. We might inverse from here. This is a 15-minute high low also, so yeah, full break even here. are clearly delivering to these lows. So better look for continuation trades than we can look for continuation shorts. With that. Let's see the paper trading history. Today we took a loss. Today we took a loss. When? I don't remember. Either way. No way we are going to start from here. Either way, is going to flush through this, man. No fucking way we are going to stop any of this. What is this level? This is 845 level. We are definitely going to this level. This is the key zone here. We must go to that level. Okay, no way we are. We will definitely go to both of these levels. So 5-minute inversion. Should I take this? Yeah, 5-minute inversion will happen. So pulling my stop loss back into this level. Sorry. So what I'm expecting is we might get a rebalance into this level and we go continuous. So This is the last trade I am going to take. If this not happen, I am done for the day. So I am very confident this trade, like very confident this trade. Super confident this trade, but I need to equilibrate. First we need, yeah, here we go. Why did we add that? Hell no. Full TP! Demo account. Fuck this. Okay. We recovered this demo account drawdown, so that is a win-win. We could touch loss, partial loss, $160, we took 1544, 600 with this. After we took a $639 loss, what fuck? We already took it to win streaks there. I need to practice my trading. How I trade in my demo is far more better. I'm done for the day. I don't take any trades from here. I don't like taking any trades from here. Too much break-even trades for the day. I might do something for this break-even. Else I might do this again. You can take that 5 minutes because you are already inside that 15 minutes, so I might be done for the day. Took too much trades. This life of long does not work, bro. If you guys want to take this inverse, but I will not recommend to take this trade at all. This is the least winrate trades I get usually. But we are inside this 4 hour, inside this 1 hour, 50 minute, 30 minute we took this 1 hour, 1 hour. So I keep trade to this 5 minute level doesn't hurt. My opinion, try it with low risk, far more better than. We need to mark these highs right there. So should we try it on our live account? Let me try it on my live account. No, I don't think so. I would not try this. Let's try it on a low risk. Nah, it is too much. I did too much trades today, so I should not try this. Okay. Too much trade. 3 trades in the live account today, so no way I'm going to take this on my live account again. Kind of have a PO3 like 30-minute wick setup for here. So if we are that bullish, we might in reverse from here. If you want to take this 1 minute, we are inside a 3 minute at that time, so kind of bad. Let's try it on my demo. So only $200 risk. Let's see. Already inside this 3 minutes. Let's see if we can inverse this. We didn't inverse that actually, so let's look for one more candle. Yes, let's go from here. Break even. Quick break even. We go break even there. Yeah, that's it. Let's run this. And already out of this trade. This was a great bottom tick. This is probably the type of day that we will range in a lot of volume. Man, look at this mess. have no idea, man. What is this? What is this shit is doing? Fucking tired. Break even after break even after break even after break even. I got 3 trades, 3 break evens. I got even short from here. I don't even like short from here. That's the right. Today total of 3 trades, 4, 5, 6. Almost $6. Why? As counted as break even, so here I'll be break even NQ 0. Entry was the first entry was here was the first entry. I don't even remember the first entry. Yeah, this was the first entry. For a 1-to-1. Where did we go break even? Oh fuck. Okay, we go break even at that highs. I think I go break even at this high. Because I think these not are obvious high, so I should obviously let them run. Okay, I should have obviously let them run. This is not 938 high, this is 942 high. My obvious high is this low, so I should have run it. But I go break even where? I go break even. I am such a pussy. I am go break even here. So there was a support of 15-minute PO3, I think. Yeah. This here, I think the PO3 expander here. The first trade, the second was I think this highs, and it was a very bad trade and I risked to very long. It is a B plus trade I think, because not enough momentum, nothing clean. There is a 2-minute inversion, that is the thing. Okay, and I go break even right here. Sorry, I go break even at this 3-minute gap. Okay, break even at this 3-minute gap. BE was here. Okay. And the third was this short, and that is such beautiful trade. I should have held it a little bit more. I was trying to short it to this. Just I only take 1-to-1, but that was the draw was the imbalance. It was a great trade, and I think it was a break. second trade, I shouldn't even risking that much. That was an emotional trade. This is 10 a.m. high, that's why. That's why I was very confident in that trade. But if it was really that draw, we should have the break-even decision was the perfect decision. Let's type here second trade 2. That's it. It's enough for me. This 2, okay. Let's do a screenshot. First time taking too much trade. First trade was a great trade. I think this is a 5-minute rebalance, 5-minute top. I think it was 500. Yes, 5-minute. 5. Okay. Second trade was run on high. We can see that here. Second was a 5-minute continuation. PO3 help ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Yes, this is the PO3 help that this is right after the 50-minute open. So the 50-minute open. We was trying to fill this wick. Yes. So yeah, we was trying to fill this wick and we should at least go break even here. So decision was good, but I should have break even there than here. So let's see that reaction here. So it was this candle here, the 50-minute open. We did move down a little bit, so which is I think this open we distributed lower, so that is enough for us to go break here. So I should have considered that. We opened here, not just aggressively pushed up. We moved a little bit lower, like we closed here, right? We closed here, then we made this wick here, so kind of not bad at all. PO3 and 1-minute inversion making us to go long. So that is it. In a time of entry was around 9:47. 9:47. The oil was previous highs, session highs, second liquidity daily highs, and these session highs, daily highs, and we have this obvious highs. Rating was, it is an A trade. The inversion was perfect. Everything was. It's an A plus trade, moreover A plus trade. So low time frame, I will choose this. Then let's take a 5-minute and a 3-minute. Yes, one more, and let's add this here. Let's add the 1 hour, sorry, 15-minute on the high time frame and 1 hour here. Okay, both of them reference. For the higher time frame, let's have 15-minute, 1 hour, control shift yes. Okay. No, we should take the screenshot because we can't get two of them together, so we need to take the 4 hour 2. This is Thursday, psych. was average and was not hesitated to trade on high risk. Okay, let's first trade was 50, then 2 was 100. Okay, this trade was took based on bias and in the liquidity session as and daily X above and 15-minute PO3 help was say set up, but I think the break was a little quick, but it was a solid decision online. Sometimes I hesitate to go BE and lose, so I think this is so much better. Okay, let's do the second trade. It was same as Nash. Restaurant was 1-1, PNL was 0, Ampere was NG, of course, win, break even, arrow, entry wash. And it was I think 2-minute ifvg with second entry was 5-minute continuation. I don't know if you have SMDs at this lows, but no SMDs. I believe at that time no SMDs. I see no SMDs. Yeah, we have no SMDs here. Continuation. Time of entry was 10:12. Yeah, this is 10:13. 10:13. And DOL was daily 1 hour high. Sorry, 1 hour high, no, daily high. So daily high and session highs are about. Daily high and session highs. Rating, I mean, it is a B plus trade because no other, this weak inversion and I risk too much. Now time frame, just like we did here. This is the same trade. We only need to took this trade, okay? High time frame, no need. Day was, it is Thursday. M's hike was too high, $100, and was quick BE because it's either quick BE or QTP. More of a discretionary. The last trade was also break even. PNL was 100, sorry, 0. There was NQ and loss was it is BE. Entry was this trade is more of a mechanical model with a great inversion and everything. First we serve the liquidity, then we inverse this, then we have this clean low below us, so we could be we have 15-minute gap there, so there is a continuation trade. Let's keep it as 3-minute continuation maybe. Continuation. Let's put it here. Not 3-minute continuation, 3-minute rejection, 3-minute FVG. A 15 minutes do something like this, then we deliver here, then we distribute a low. So this was no entry, I don't think so. This only XL was VO3 and 1 minute FVG. So time of entry was 10:16. DOL was 15-minute imbalance, and rating I will rate it as a air trade more than it was low time frame. Let's put this here. $50-minute FVG, okay, here. This trade was more of a trade than okay. For example here was Thursday's icons good. fuck this bro, I'm kind of tired.